Let me draw your winged liner. We've all seen those memes about the reality of applying a cat liner. One side is always thicker than the other, and it usually ends up in a raccoon of a mess.
Keep watching this video and learn how to stop being that meme.
I think we've all been there, regardless of how good at makeup we are. We've all screwed up our eyeliner at one point or another.
After watching this video, you'll walk away with a few techniques to think about next time you pick up your eyeliner brush.
And when we explain this technique to our clients, they always have that aha moment like, oh, that's actually how you do it. And we hope you have that moment as well. The first tip that we want to give about doing a winged liner is it's important to first understand the shape of your eye and create a look that works well with your eye shape as well as where your eyelid folds. To better determine your eye shape and eyeliner technique, we've written a blog for your reference, and you can find the link to that blog in the description bar below.
Tip number 2 is don't fully commit at first. Draw out the shape with a softer eyeshadow. By using a black or brown eyeshadow with a liner or angle brush to draw out that line softly, you will A, make it easier for yourself when you commit with a liquid or gel liner, and B, this will ensure the shadow or dark shade is touching the lash line and will create a more solid and natural look, avoiding the gap between the liner and the lash line. The third tip is choosing whether to apply the eyeliner with your eyes open or your eyes closed. So here's our secret to perfecting a winged liner. Your wing must be created when your eye is open, especially for those with small or hooded eyelids. This will ensure you create a wing on the right angle for your eye, and that when your eye is open, you can actually see the wing, and it does not get lost in the lid. By tipping your chin up, you can open up your lid more while lining your lash line. Do you struggle with getting your eyeliner even? Let us know in the comment bar below.
Tip number 4 is using the right tools. Your brushes are very important. Using a thin liner brush or an angle brush will help you create a flawless liner if you have a difficult time using the applicator the liner came with. We personally really love the brush that comes with the Elate liner, as it is nice and thin and flexible that works really well to the contours of your eyes.
Our last tip for you is pay attention to the final touches. Finishing off this look is always ensuring you have taken the line and tapered it off into the inner corner of the eye, as well as creating a tiny thin flick at the very end where your cat angle is. These final touches will make the liner look complete and natural. If you're learning this technique for a special event, we love to pair this eyeliner look with a set of beautiful false lashes. We made a video called How to Apply False Lashes with Formaldehyde-Free Glue, so you can learn our tips for applying your false lashes yourself. We hope these techniques help you perfect your liquid liner and your cat liner.
Remember, these techniques take time and practice, so make sure to be patient with yourself. Want to save 10% on your first Green Beauty order? By subscribing to our newsletter, you will also save 10% off of your first online order. Keep up with the Green Beauty Collective and receive exclusive sale information and offers. Follow the newsletter link in the description bar below. We're excited to have you a part of our community.
Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by liking it, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing, as well as sharing it with your fellow natural beauty lovers.
And if you found this video helpful, make sure you comment below that it was helpful. And as usual, we'll see you next Tuesday.
Bye.